Thank you so much for joining us on a brand new episode of Indian Football. इससे पहले कि हम बातचीत करें, सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा, जिन जिन लोगों को लग रहा था कि इस सीज़न आपका सर्वप्रिय, प्यार से भरा हुआ, टैलेंट से भरपूर, जहाँ देखो उधर देखो टैक्टिकल न्यूआंसेस से भरपूर इंडियन सुपर लीग अगर इस सीज़न होने वाला था, दो बंदे थे जो बहुत पहले से बोले जा रहे थे ये लीग नहीं होने वाली है। एंड अगर आप हमारा चैनल देखते हो देन यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इवन दो द ग्रिमेस्ट सिचुएशंस हम लोग हंसी मजाक करते रहते हैं। वो अपना खेल है, वो हमारा तरीका है बोलने का यहाँ पे। और अगर आप हमारा चैनल देखते हो तो मेरे साथ अभी जो एक दाढ़ी वाले भाई हैं वो नहीं, पर हमारे पुराने दाढ़ी वाले भाई हैं। वो कभी आते हैं, वो कभी नहीं आते हैं। अभी इस शो के बीच में भी आ सकते हैं, हमें कुछ पता नहीं क्या भाई का सीन है। बट ये मैं कह सकता हूँ, व्हाट्सएप पे मेरे भाई ने कल ही मुझे बोला था, डन भाई, आई विल सी यू देयर। पता नहीं कहाँ है भाई हमारे। So we miss you, my friend. But the point is, during this entire very low period, I don't know if it's a low period or not, because sometimes it's a course correction, and a course correction could set you up for something very good. So there are two different ways of looking at these things. उसके बीच में एक ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री आई है,
Indian football. How do you even begin to describe it? It has seen it all. The highs.
Could be saved. This is what Indian football needed.
And of course, the heartbreaks.
and it's a ongoing documentary. आप उसको YouTube पे देख सकते हैं. The name of this documentary is Traveler's Guide to Indian Football. उसके करता धरता to my right and left, I have Nikhil, who is the editor behind this. I have Johnson, who is the brains behind this, who is the person who's come up with this idea. And so in this very confusing state of Indian football, we have this one documentary which is giving you stories around the beautiful game, which is giving you stories beyond उसने इसको मारा, उसने ये ट्रॉफी जीता। मतलब दुनिया इतनी खोखली नहीं है कि सिर्फ जीत हार और ट्रॉफी पे बैठे रहते हैं। कहानियां होती हैं, और वो कहानियां आपके लिए वो ला रहे हैं। जॉनसन, निखिल, थैंक्स सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस गाइस ऑन द शो। जॉनसन के साथ शुरू करते हैं। भाई, आपको किस बिच्छू ने काट लिया कि आपको लगा कि भाई इंडियन फुटबॉल पे कहानियां बनाते हैं, और वो भी ऐसे टाइम पे जब मतलब सिर्फ इंडियन फुटबॉल ब्रॉट टू यू बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट हो रहा है। आपको क्या हो गया ये, मतलब बताइए ना भाई।
I think that firstly, thank you so much for having us on the show. And that question I have been asking myself all the way up to we release the series, on days after we release the series. Sometime every first half of the day, मैं खुद को पूछता हूँ कि यार मुझे क्या हो गया था? Why did I start this? But then
कम हो गई थी, दवा कम ले ली थी, या दवा अलग हो गई थी, ऐसा कुछ ख्याल नहीं आया मन में?
No, I mean that's what every first half of the day I have the question pop in my head कि क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं ये? मैंने what made me do this? And then thankfully by the end of the day, it reaches some sort of sense of fulfillment कि ठीक है, बाकी कुछ हो रहा तो नहीं है, but at least we are doing something in this space. So I mean, to go back to the start of the idea, it was about, I think, 5 years ago. Nikhil, myself, and our director Arjun, we were on a set. Not on a set. We were watching a sevens game in Kerala, in Kozhikode.
अरे मैं बड़े उनके रीलें देखता हूँ आजकल।
Yeah. तो हम एक शॉर्ट फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे थे फॉर द ISL, 15 शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, और एक था केरला में। दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम वी वर ऑन सेट टुगेदर। दिस वाज फॉर आवर प्रीवियस एजेंसी। तो तब हमने काफी, इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन, वी सॉ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट ब्लू आवर माइंड, but we couldn't really show it. We couldn't put it in the film, obviously, because client ka film hai, there's obviously a lot of feedback and all. So tab, I think it was a very casual conversation at some point on that trip between the three of us कि यार कभी life में वापस ये करना चाहिए, and we should do it for the sake of doing it, for these stories. And we got busy with our careers, and I think 2023 में, I don't know what really happened, but I felt like कि अब नहीं करूँगा तो कभी नहीं करूँगा ये. So started with a call to our director Arjun. Actually, a meeting with him where I told him कि यार ये series बनाना है, एक pilot बनाते हैं. Then we went
कीड़ा
about.
लगा हुआ है क्या इंडियन फुटबॉल का भाई आपको?
पता नहीं. I mean,
क्योंकि आपके उस डॉक्यूमेंट्री में भी जब आप लोग हम लोगों से बातचीत करने आए थे तो हमने भी यही बोला था कि भाई ये इस दुनिया में वही आता है जिसको कीड़ा लगा है.
Yeah.
तो you know.
I mean, for me, though, my granddad used to play in the 60s. So it was like a childhood memory, the nostalgia-driven love for Indian football, where he would tell me कि कलकत्ता में फुटबॉल ऐसे होता था, मद्रास पुलिस के लिए जब मैं खेलता था तभी ऐसे होता था, कैननूर में और
not bad.
yeah. So he used to play for Madras Police, and then I think for the male teams. Sorry.
अच्छी टीम होती थी वो.
Yeah, so and this is way back 50s 60s के time पे. So when I was growing up, he would tell me these stories. So तब भी I think चस्का तभी लगा. And yeah, then like all of us, we played football at certain level till we realized that यार इसमें career तो नहीं बनेगा. And then we ended up in media to try and keep that love alive in some way. And yeah, I don't know, yeah. 2 years ago, just something like sort of like bulb sort of just lit, and I was like, okay, we have to do it now. पहले पायलट बनाने गए, बनाते बनाते we realized कि यार ये बहुत ही deep है. This is very deep. It's very colorful. Stories बहुत ही बढ़िया है. Then we started like speaking to the crew. We started building the crew out with Nikhil and एक करके like editor, animator, art director, सबको who are all friends thankfully who have worked on football media projects. इकट्ठा किया. And then we went about raising investment, which is again through personal network to be able to do season 1. Because every agency we spoke to, every brand we spoke to, they were like, यार गलत टॉपिक पे बना रहे हो आप, मत बनाओ.
तो फिर कीड़े वाले लोग ढूंढे कि मतलब कैसे पकड़े?
कीड़े वाले सारे कीड़े वाले लोग. Everybody has some sort of connection to Indian football or wants to do something like sort of in this space. And I think that is how we persevered through. Because like you've spoken on the channel a lot of times, the last few months have been like pretty dark. And it's been dark like even for our plans. Like we thought the series would be on a OTT. We were in talks with brands.
I don't think you could have got it at a better time. मैं उल्टा सोचने वाला आदमी हूँ.
Yeah, and I think that was the idea behind us putting it out.
दिया जलाया है ऐसे टाइम पे जब गुफा में लाइट ही नहीं है, तो फिर वो भी एक नजरिया है.
So that is eventually what we decided, क्योंकि हमको तो सब बोल रहे थे कि कुछ नहीं होगा 2026 तक. तो we were like यार अब हमने बनाया ये सीरीज, there's no point sitting on it. We might as well share it with people. बाकी तो कुछ हो रहा नहीं है इंडियन फुटबॉल में, तो we might as well watch this. The significant part of the gamble is that we decided कि ठीक है, we'll put it on YouTube, free viewing, and we'll see from where we go from there. But so far, 2 episodes in, the feedback has been quite positive. I think it's a long road to actually getting where we want to get to, but longer route to where we hopefully should be in season 2, because this is not a one and done thing, you know.
अच्छा,
like
तो आप ये मतलब अच्छा that way, so you have seasons planned now, ना?
Yeah, तो हमको कीड़ा
काफी.
काफी.
Low down how many episodes per season, and then what can you expect going forward?
So we have 5 episodes in season 1. The idea is to keep making 5 every year. I've written down till season 4. I think Nikhil, Arjun, myself, we've discussed like
ये पहले ये बताओ, आपने ये कौन सा बंधन बैंक ढूंढा है, आपने ये सर्वप्रिया बैंक ढूंढा है, कौन सा बैंक ढूंढा है जो आपको ये पैसे दिए जा रहे हैं?
I think the answer to that is basically what I keep telling the boys कि यार it's not a question of if we make season 2, 3, it's a question of how. अगर हमको बहुत कम पैसे मिले तो हम बहुत कम पैसे में बनाएंगे. अगर पैसे मिले ही नहीं तो we'll figure out what other way we have to make it happen. But we will make it happen because I think places like Sikkim, which is our season finale, that is the kind of episode.
Tournament काफी.
Yeah, those are the kind of places where you go and you see, or rather, like, you know, when Nikhil's like putting the episode together, you just go like, wow, man. Like, I mean, these are the places that should be more known or rather spoken about.
Also, I think we have a proof of concept right now with season 1. the kind of places that we've also like covered, and the kind of stories that we are going through people. Like you only get to know a Baichung from Sikkim, but then when you double click on that story, you get to know a Sanju Pradhan, you get to know more such people like a Mothers FC. So I think for वो बंधन बैंक आ जाएगा घूम फिर के कहीं से,
आ जाएगा.
कोई ना कोई एक ब्रांड तो होगा जिसको ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ यार ये अच्छा है, इस पे हम पैसे लगा
भाई
सकते हैं.
आप क्राउड फंडिंग पे क्यों नहीं जा रहे भाई? क्योंकि ये बंधन बैंक वाले ना, इनका मैं वही बार बार बोलते रहता हूँ यार, ये जो कीड़े वाले लोग हैं, कीड़े वाले लोगों का ही बनेगा उसमें. ये आप क्राउड फंडिंग करो ताकि सबका स्टेक हो. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम लोग इस खेल के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं क्योंकि हमारा कुछ स्टेक है इसके साथ. कुछ ना कुछ छोटा स्टेक है कि जी जब टीम अच्छा करती है, बुरा करती है, चलो जो तनख्वाह पे आजकल लोग बोल रहे हैं, मतलब चलो ठीक है, आई डोंट एग्री विद इट कि आप किसी की तनख्वाह के बारे में बोलो, बट स्टेक है एट द एंड ऑफ द. आई फील दिस इज लाइक एन एप्ट थिंग टू गेट क्राउड फंडेड. है कोई 5 रुपए दे, कोई 10 रुपए दे, कोई 100 रुपए दे, बट
वो सब लोग एडिट पे कॉल्स तो नहीं लेंगे ना, बस चेंजेस तो नहीं आएंगे ना. 10,000 लोगों के फीडबैक आ जा रहे हैं ये
तो वो स्विस बैंक में चले जाएगा ना पैसा आपका, वो आप ट्रेस ही नहीं कर सकते कहाँ से आ रहा है.
But no, that's a great shout. I think yeah, for sure, because the community is also strong, and because we screened it also right now at this fanball meet in Bombay about 2 weeks back. I think it was the 16th of November. Johnson. Yeah. So the number of people that just came to us and they said that, you know, I feel guilty about not following Indian football and I've been following European football instead. But the stories are so rich and everything, I would like to know more. And उसी इंटरेस्ट को देख के परख के ये समझ में आता है कि लोग तो कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक दे आर फॉर श्योर क्राउड फंड कर सकते हैं, पैसा डालने के लिए भी लोग विल बी रेडी फॉर श्योर.
But tell me, Nikhil, have you been involved with Indian football for a while, or?
I knew about like from the surface only. I knew East Bengal.
Then you learned more about it as you went along.
For sure, yes. I mean, I was blown away with the narrative of Real Kashmir. I was like the way the club was formed, the way even the small integrities, right? Like even the rivalry between Mohan Bagan and East Bengal, and the fact that it's going into economics and like prawns or मतलब आप हिलसा खरीदने चले जाते हो या प्रॉन्स खरीदने चले जाते हो डिपेंडिंग ऑन हु इज विनिंग. These were the kind of stories we would hear in like somewhere around in EPL or like some Spanish teams. So I have it's been like an education for me as well. And I've been an Arsenal fan. I've been following football since a kid.
Sorry.
हाँ भाई, तो मतलब वो दर्द वगैरह भी बहुत है.
ऐसे अभी टाइम.
So, but yeah, I mean, it's been like an education for me as well. I mean, it's been enlightening more than being.
What is the end game, Johnson? I get your motive. It's from a pure place. Okay, वो ठीक है सर. But end game क्या है आपका? हर चीज की आप शुरुआत करते हो तो आप पहले लिखते हो end game ये है, और फिर आप backtrack करते हो in a way. I mean, you know, people have different ways of doing it. आपका एंड गेम क्या है इससे टू जो आप बना रहे हो?
I think I mean there are sort of split priorities or other answers थोड़े अलग है. So from a audience perspective, something that is part of like the Sikkim and the Kashmir episode is कि when you watch this, I mean we want the viewer to sort of look at these places in a slightly different light. कि आप जाते हो छुट्टी मनाने गैंगटॉक, like, or you'll go to visit Kashmir on a holiday. But when you do that, like, I mean, the idea of what we show and we sort of spark an interest is ki, go have a look at the local football game wahan pe. Go watch a game at Sikkim Premier League, or go to the TRC Turf Stadium for a match if you're there during season and like, you know, on your holiday. Because it is something very unique and interesting to be a part of. So from an audience perspective, it is that. I think from a wider Indian football perspective, we've actually used your lines only towards the end to deliver our message, which is like, you know, the Indian football fan is someone you don't need to worry about. Like, you know, they are thick-skinned. They have, like you said, like, you know, kuch to, like, you know, is there within them that is attaching them to the game to that point where the results don't matter, but interest keeps increasing. So all like we want to do with the series or other the way on the note on which we end it is कि आप बस game ठीक करो. Like rest, everything is there. Like the culture that people keep talking about. Like the culture is there. People play football. आप game ठीक करो so that the interest has a pathway to actually like lead to. And we know that, see, our job as storytellers is not to change Indian football or policy or anything. But I feel like what we did 5 years ago and what we are doing right now, the difference is that we are able to tell stories holistically and bring things to people's attention that maybe they missed out in the past. So, Punjab, for example, it would have been easy for us to go down the route just talking about an Anwar Ali and Gurpreet or Sandesh
JST.
and sorry.
JST
Yeah,
JST नहीं बोलते थे ना वो
exactly.
पंजाब में JST बोलते हैं JST.
Yeah. yeah. So we wanted to be able to एक तो create a platform कि हम सुखी सर का story भी बता पाए.
Yeah.
We wanted to be able to show that. While at the same time we were like, ठीक है, you have Sandesh, Gurpreet, Anwar and all these guys. But what you should be knowing is Manisha's story. You should people should be aware of that more than they are currently. So I think that is the aim with this. Ki through our series, at least we get an opportunity to go to each state, keep telling this story at whatever level, depending on how much budget we have, but keep telling this across the country. And hopefully somewhere somehow we impact a change in the policymakers to be like, okay, there is more than enough culture for us to tap into if we get our act together.
I think in one of our calls also we discussed that it's more about doing justice to the culture, TGIF as a brand and as storytellers. कि culture तो already है, but no one's been talking about it. I mean, no one's highlighting them from the past and even the present, the way the village games happen and everything. So someone needs to really tell these stories and bring them in the forefront.
तो टू थिंग्स. आप जब बात कर रहे थे पंजाब की, मैं कहानी बताता हूँ. मैं जब एक एस्पायरिंग प्लेयर था तो मैं गोवा में बात नहीं बनी, तो उसके बाद गया मैं 5 दिन के ट्रायल के लिए JST फगवाड़े में. उनका होता था ब्यूटीफुल. अरे भाई क्या ग्राउंड था भाई, ओए होए होए, मैं रजाई दे दो, तकिया दे दो, सो जाऊंगा. वहाँ पे 5 दिन ट्रेनिंग करी विद परमिंदर सिंह, हु वाज सुखी सेकंड इन कमांड, आल्सो वेरी वेल नोन कोच इन पंजाब. एंड ऑफ कोर्स उनने नहीं लिया वहाँ पे, बट मैंने जो वहाँ पे खाना खाया, अरे मेरे भाई मेस में जो सफ़ेद मक्खन और मैंने चिकन वहाँ पे, मैं गेस्ट हाउस में डाला हुआ था उन्होंने तो, उफ, something just, and whichever player talks about Phagwada, Sunil has been there, Renedy Bhai has been there, they all talk about Sukhi sir's man management skills. वो समझ आता था कि इसको क्या करना है. तो उन्होंने बीच में देखा, ओ जी फ्राइडे सुबह प्रैक्टिस होगी, शाम को नहीं होगी, चले जाओ घर. मंडे शाम को प्रैक्टिस होगी, तो मंडे सुबह तुम ट्रेन पकड़ के वापस आओ. मैं नहीं तुम्हें पागलों की तरह बुला रहा हूँ. वहाँ पे सुनील उस टाइम पे एक ऐसे फेज से जा रहा था कि उसको कलकत्ते में जब उसको खेलने को मिला नहीं, तो सुनील ने कहा मैं घर नहीं जा रहा. उसको पहला सीजन खेलने को मिल नहीं रहा था. वो वहीं बैठे रहता था, टप 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 ग्राउंड से करते रहता था, कुछ ना कुछ करते रहता था पागलों की तरह. And then came that season where he just kept on scoring goals and he got Indian Player of the Year or the league or whatever. Second story, Sikkim. मैं और मेरा भाई जो who is with us in spirit right now, हम गए थे सिक्किम. भाईचुंग had called उसी स्टेडियम में, he had charity match था, रूट गुलेट और सब आए हुए थे वहाँ पे मैच करने के लिए. तो मैं और मेरे भाई गए थे वहाँ पे कवर करने के लिए, और तब रेनेडी भाई ने हमारे लिए कमरा करवाया था. और रेनेडी भाई ने ऐसा कमरा करवाया था कि मैं उसके बारे में बात नहीं कर सकता. ऑल आई कैन गिव यू अ हिंट इज कि वो लाल रंग का कमरा था और बिस्तरा हार्ट शेप का था. तो मैंने कहा रेनेडी भाई यो क्या हो गया भाई. बट दैट वाज ऐसे बड़े किस्से हैं भाई.
How long back was this?
यार ब्रो,
This Sikkim trip.
भाई this was 10 years easy.
अच्छा.
I think 10 years. समय देर होंगी. कसिनो में गए थे, वहाँ पे अलग सीन चल रहा था. तो these are lots and lots of stories everyone has around Indian football. Nikhil, were there any stories, given that this was your first real, deep sort of dive into Indian football? Any stories that we can look forward to? Just give us a glimpse. Don't tell us everything. of the coming episodes in the 5 that you have planned for
I
season 1?
think Soumya Guglot, this Indian
Where's she
woman
from?
footballer, she's from Hyderabad. So you should just see the kind of goals she scores. Like Ronaldo is her idol. भाई वो वॉली मार रही है बढ़िया, मतलब यू लाइक अच्छे अच्छे लड़के टर्फ में नहीं मार रहे हैं वैसे गोल्स, और अच्छे अच्छे फिनिशर्स नहीं है हमारे पास इंडियन
IWL में?
सॉरी
IWL में कि
IWL में, yes, and even for the Indian team, I mean, she's been killing it. Like you should just see the kind of goal she scores, and also because while we were doing the last 5 minutes of the episode of the entire series, there's this small girl, you know, like वो मतलब 4 feet की होगी, अनुष्का नाम है उसका. You should see her free kicks. I mean, the kind of women footballers that have surprised me with in India, like that has been a huge highlight. I mean, I have started streaming all women football games since then as well, because
have you made it a conscious effort? Like हम लोग for some reason, and it's not just football, कि जब हम महिला और खेल की बात करते हैं तो हम वो ये एक नैरेटिव होता है हमारा, you know, and वो एक नैरेटिव होता भी है क्योंकि वो असलियत भी है to a large extent. Have you tried moving away from that narrative, or is it still the same narrative around women that they don't get to play, they've got to fight a lot of other things, go and get some time to play, and then they push from there?
No, I think they are getting the time and the opportunity as well. It's just that they don't have the eyes. Like people just need to know more, and then I don't think so. We need to see them in a sorry light, because अगर sorry light में होता ना तो इतना अच्छा perform भी नहीं कर रहे होते. I think. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि है वहाँ पे उनको मिल रहे हैं सुविधा तो है अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए, तभी क्वालिफाई भी कर पा रहे हैं वो लोग. बट इट्स जस्ट दैट वी डोंट टॉक अबाउट इट एज मच. आई मीन वो पीवी सिंधु वाली कहानी है ना सेम, कि जब तक वो जीती नहीं तब तक फिर हमको नहीं पता था कि कौन खेल रहा है.
तो ये दुनिया का असूल है ना भाई, जब तक आप कुछ करोगे नहीं मैं नहीं आपको जानूंगा. सिंपल एज दैट. मतलब अभी मैं एक ये देखो हो इसका मैसेज आया है. Just got home fam. Okay fam. ठीक है. हम ना वो हम एक बचपन से रहे हैं भाई, स्कूल में एक साथ फुटबॉल खेलते थे. He was football team captain, I was my football team captain. तब से हमारा रिश्ता चल रहा है भाई लोगों का, और अभी भी पैडल भी एक साथ खेलते हैं, और इतना गहरा रिश्ता है तो एक दूसरे को गालियां भी दे रहे होते हैं मैच में क्योंकि खेल ऐसा है, और जानते हैं कि
Why isn't there a local football team that you guys start? You guys should just चालू कर दो यार कुछ.
यार YouTube चैनल नहीं चला पा रहे, फुटबॉल टीम कहाँ से चलाएंगे?
मैं करता हूँ एडिट, मुझे भेज दो. मैं सब लोग संभाल लेंगे पोर्टफोलियो वाले.
But Johnson, which other episodes are we expecting now? You've done 2. आपने दिखाए हैं कलकत्ता या सिक्किम दिखाया आपने?
And Punjab.
कलकत्ता और पंजाब दिखाया आपने. And now which are the other 3?
So the next one is Hyderabad, फिर है Kashmir, and we finish in Sikkim, basically.
Okay.
That's the season finale. It's basically every Friday till the end of the year.
And what is your YouTube channel where you've got it on?
Portfolio Productions. So that is the company we set up to basically be able to create this IP. And yeah, it's every Friday at 8 o'clock, a new episode goes up, free to everyone to view. So we basically just set up the channel pretty recently. So far, it's been quite heartwarming to see the organic, performance that we've generated.
You've gone more than 420 grams also? कितने आ गए?
I mean, नहीं, उतने तो नहीं.
हमारे 8,000 हैं 10 साल बाद. हम जाते हैं गड्ढे से, गुफा से निकलते आते हैं. बट आई होप यू भाई लगे रहो, मेरे हिसाब से तो वही है. आपका Instagram page, is there an Instagram page where people can follow this?
Of the same, Portfolio Productions. So it's on our Instagram, on our YouTube, Facebook है, but it's very token. Instagram and
are you putting small stories out on Instagram regularly?
Yeah. So Instagram and YouTube is where you'll find most of the series. And yeah, every Friday new episodes till the end of the year.
Any word during the making of this series with officials from the federation, officials from the commercial partners who are not the commercial partners, but they are having a conversation?
कैमरा बंद करके बोल ले भाई. गाइस भी ऑफ कर देंगे अपन थोड़ा सा।
कुछ नहीं बात हुआ, किसी से बात हुआ?
हुआ
बहुत serious है।
बहुत हुआ. In fact, I mean, the commercial partners, though we were in talks with them. I mean, rather, I was like, in conversation with them from when this was still an idea, an inception stage pe. So they've been aware. We've had multiple conversations with them across different
जो,
like
जो कहानियां आप बता रहे हो वो तो उनके आने से बहुत पहले है कहानी।
yeah.
किया है।
तो वो तो क्लियर था उनके साइड से because we also worked with them in the past कि ये series is not something they would directly be associated with. Because it's obviously beyond what they have created. But on the federation's end, we met the president himself. So Arjun, our director, and myself, we went to Delhi to Football House. Had an hour-long meeting over there where we showed him. At this time, it was still a teaser that we had released in January. तो वो दिखाया था उनको. We also told him about the 5 episodes. He had a lot of questions. It seemed quite they were quite interested, but I think like with most things with the federation, like the minute we probably left the building, the conversation took a back seat, and really never really got out of that back seat.
आपने पूछा नहीं उनसे कि वो 7,000 करोड़ या जितने का भी आंकड़ा उन्होंने बताया था कि जी हम कमाएंगे इतने सालों में, कहाँ है वो पीपीटी?
In fact, I mean, we asked him that, sir, we don't want anything from you, just like from the federation. If we can get your support to speak to the rights holders who have access to these archives, वो भी बड़ी help हो जाएगी.
That way, huh? Did you get them?
No, I mean, no reply at all, unfortunately. So we had to basically do our best ourselves, and then
आपने archival footage कैसे निकाला है? I mean, like what kind of how far back have you gone as far as digging footage and all this?
I think the oldest footage we got was from Prasar Bharati archives. That is snippets of, say, Subroto Cup in the late 60s and stuff.
Okay.
And that's very 4 second wale clips. Jarnail Singh holding the trophy, from the president and stuff like that. But the majority, I think, of our archival research has been JCT. I think we actually got it from a YouTuber who downloaded these videos and then uploaded to their channel, and just it's forgotten in some rabbit hole of YouTube. I think he's a Salgaonkar fan, that YouTuber, because he's uploaded all Salgaonkar games from the 90s. So yeah, it's been that. Then Punjab ke liye, it's been speaking to, say, Manisha's agency, who were very kind enough to help us out with all of their footage. With the creators who we filmed, they were happy to share their vlogs, because हमको थोड़ा last minute fires we had to deal with in the last week or so, and we currently are even doing that क्योंकि हमारा series ready था. Everything was getting subtitled 1 week before the trailer went out, and then एक ऐसा bomb फूटता है कि
Notice आया क्या?
Notice नहीं, बस एक email आया कि don't use XYZ. So we are like, oh god, now we have to go back and sort of correct.
Is this a creator, or is this I'm not asking you to name names, or is this
not a creator, a bigger this thing, and I understand Indian football is in a mess, so people don't want to position themselves in any way that is detrimental to themselves. But it made our lives a little difficult, is currently making our lives a little difficult, because you know how it works out with production. We got to the final export after sound design, coloring, etc. We are going back into the same export, and we're like, okay, ठीक है, ये निकालना है, ये निकालना है, ये निकालना है.
ये निखिल अभी मतलब बालों में रंग लगा के आया, मतलब सफेद हुआ है. हाँ?
कुछ बोलना नहीं है मेरे को अभी. Exactly, bro. आप समझते हो.
समझ गया ये बात.
But thankfully it is not like the entire episode.
Yeah.
It is just these small chunks. But yeah, I mean, if the situation would have been better, then we could have done a better job, and things would have been just much more tighter. But it's okay. I mean, part and parcel of the system, I guess.
Guys, I think we've had a nice conversation, and for anyone who's tuned in, how many of you are tuning in, the aim of this conversation is कि जाओ जाके यार कहानियां देखो यार, कि मतलब ना वो Indian football is way more richer than Bajegi City and Udega Ball. That's just one small tiny part, and it's played its part. You can't deny that, and it's given a lot to Indian football. But usse pehle bhi, in a very, or again, the man who's missing in his absence, who would have chimed in now, because if he would have taken off, then this conversation would have gone for 78 minutes with him only talking. That Indian football has a massive history way before 2014 when ISL started.
Yeah.
2014, and as haphazard, as tuta muta, as whatever, it was going on for some reason, and so we can't deny that, and we can't sort of take that away from the people at that time who were giving so much to the game. देखो जी, आप एक ऐसे इकोसिस्टम में आप पैसा लगा रहे हो, एक ऐसे इकोसिस्टम आप लोगों को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, जैसे भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, किसी को आप बूट्स दे रहे हो, किसी को आप कपड़े दे रहे हो, किसी को आप केला खिला रहे हो, किसी को आप अंडे खिला रहे हो, किसी को आप पैसे दे रहे हो, आप कुछ दे रहे हो, एक ऐसे इकोसिस्टम में जहाँ पे कुछ मिलता नहीं है, तो मतलब वो आप दिल से दे रहे हो, वो दिल से दे रहे हो कि यार मुझे खुशी मिलती है घर में जाके, जब मैं जाऊँ ना रात को अकेले, मैं बैठ के अपने आप को देखूं मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं थोड़ी सी I feel a little at ease that I've done something which I probably could not do, but I've done something for someone else and I'm trying to help them out. So we cannot just say that उससे पहले सब गधे थे. वो यार नहीं थे गधे भाई, वो एक ऐसे टाइम पे वो लगे हुए थे कि आपको उनकी और कदर करनी चाहिए, ये सारे क्लब्स की. तो मेरा तो ये मानना है, and I'm glad that you're bringing out these stories because Indian football is way to judge Indian football as its top league means you're only scratching the surface.
Yeah.
With all due respect, the actuality of the culture, the 90% of the culture is actually outside the league. Gautam Roy, I remember, told me so many, who's a historian in Kolkata. वो आप कलकत्ते की बात कर रहे थे. He's given me so many stories on transfers. और लड़कों को बंद कर देते थे वो कमरों में, वो उनको किडनैप कर लेते थे वो साइन कराने के लिए क्लब के लिए. किन किन चीज़ों पे लड़के वहाँ पे साइन शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. So there are too many of these stories, and we hope you continue doing stuff like this. Just once again, before we say goodbye, Johnson, if you could, for everyone, where are you guys? What to do, and when are you coming next?
Yeah. So you'll find the entire series, Traveler's Guide to Indian Football, and all videos from the series on our YouTube channel, Sportfolio Productions. You can also find us on Instagram, where we have shorter versions of the clips. Also, a lot of BTS of the crew and how we went about making it, the screenings that we've
How
had.
many people in total have chipped into this production?
The crew, I think around 30 in total. But like in different parts, so I think like Nikhil was mentioning about the interest he started developing in Indian football, especially the women's team. A lot of the people on our crew, one of my best things is that we've got interns from college who are like 18, 19-year-old kids who have been working with us on just research and all that. They are now
चाबुक मारा है उनको, हैं?
Chabo.
नहीं, उनको एक एपिसोड दिखा दिया था हमने. So then they were like, अरे this is amazing. तो हम लोग को काम करना है इसके लिए.
Yeah.
Not ready.
ऐसे हम खींच के नहीं लाए, वो खुद आए हैं.
Yeah. And
कैमरे पे
I
ऐसे ही
think,
बोलते हैं. Well said,
Yeah.
well said. हाँ.
and I think by the end of this, we met for the first time. I think as a crew, we had
Yeah.
75% attendance of the entire crew in Mumbai when we had the screening. And it was very nice to see that these kids who had no idea about Indian football like before,
Zero, huh? They have no clue, huh?
like they
No,
were
zero.
not interested
Yeah.
as much, more international football, Ronaldo, Messi, that kind of. And now they're like, oh, we can't wait to see Soumya in Hyderabad. Soumya is not in the Indian squad right now, right? She's suffering from an injury. I'm like, wow, this is a 19-year-old girl, who, because she researched the story, because she was part of this, is now like feeling like there's an investment in the collective Indian football story. So that I think is somehow something that's happened to all 30 odd of us on crew. Right from everybody who's been there from day one to everyone who's even been there for a day.
Perfect. Nikhil, before we go, how many hours, भाई, कितने घंटे लगाए हैं आप लोगों ने on the edit table? मतलब पंडाल
मैं-
लग गया, शादी हो गई, वहीं हो गया सब कुछ।
भाई यही बैठा हूँ भाई. I've been sitting here only for 1.5 years. The same spot. We started. I think the first thing that we did, Johnson, was the Punjab promo, right? In March
Punjab promo. Yeah.
23.
In March 24, you cut
24.
Punjab, but we filmed
Yeah.
Punjab in November 23. November and
Right. Yeah. The filming was in November 23. But yeah, since March 23, we've been like at it. And now, before the Hyderabad export, also, the fire is being put off because of the system, as you were just like told. So abhi chal raha hai. But yeah, hopefully by the 25th of December, we'll be like fully done.
there's a running joke internally because when we did Punjab and when we were first few days on set, I had short hair. Matlab, I had like the hair I've had for the longest time of my life. और मैंने बाल काटे नहीं है तब से. So the boys are
Johnson
like,
is not United guy, basically.
yeah. So I'm
Usne
like,
baal nahi kaate
I'll
na.
not get a haircut till we find a platform or a brand or something to do season
कितना
2.
कितना मुश्किल है. नहीं बात हो रही है लाइक रियल कश्मीर की तो कहानी बनाई है अभी.
Yeah.
हॉटस्टार ने बनाया, किसने बनाया?
Sony Live ने बनाया.
टोनी लिव ने बनाया. sorry,
Yeah.
yeah.
So that complicated things a little bit because
Have you spoken to है ही गिने चुने 2 ब्रॉडकास्टर भाई हमारे.
तो सबसे बात चली. इनफैक्ट जियो से काफी पॉजिटिव बात चल रही थी. वी मेट देम अ फ्यू टाइम्स, गुड कॉन्वर्सेशंस एंड ऑल, but their also position as a business was that they don't know what's happening with Indian football, so they can't really commit any budget to it till 2026, till the situation clears up. Sony obviously had their own priority and उनके साथ conversations was through an intermediary for us, and they were like कि आपका content ले लेंगे पर हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है. And we were like हम YouTube पे ही डाल देंगे फिर. But one of the most interesting conversations was actually Netflix. It was the first platform we spoke to. They liked the idea. So one thing we noticed is सबको idea अच्छा लगता है, सबको interest है, but when it comes to committing to it, that's when they get cold feet. क्योंकि then they start thinking of Indian football and everything. Netflix wanted to make it a lot more spicy and controversial, which we were like, ठीक है हमको
क्या करें?
बनाने
तो
के
अबे
लिए.
रथ पे आते आपसे बात करने के लिए.
So we were like, so we told them, see, listen, we got Ranjit Bajaj in our Punjab episode. There's no shortage of us wanting to sort of make a story spicy if we wanted to. And there's Bhaskar Da in Kolkata who was very assertive about what he wanted to say also. But we consciously tried to keep it a little bit like, towing the line because it's not a one season thing, right? अगर एक season में हम ये करेंगे and we kind of do a little bit of activism and instead of storytelling, I don't think clubs would want to work with us next year.
Yeah, fair point.
And
So फिर that means you're not touching ये जो अभी भसड़ चल रही है, that is something you guys are boardroom and all that बकवास. You're not getting into all of that, right?
तो ये भसड़ तो हमको like we genuinely couldn't even get into it because we stopped filming in March. And like we were, I mean, to be very honest, we were in talks with everybody to like publish this before the season starts. So like we've been doing post production, getting कि ठीक है आप ये लो.
You're on track. You've published before the season has started. Come on.
Yeah.
वो उनका तरीका से
In an ideal world.
on paper they are correct.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it. So in terms of platforms, everybody liked it, interested. Commitment ke time pe they were like, okay, not so sure. So now we've kind of made our peace with all of the rejections and gone like, okay, we'll publish it on YouTube. We'll earn other community that we can create. And that will probably help us leverage season 2 conversations better. And like I keep saying, it's not a matter of if we do season 2, it's a matter of when and how. So we'll figure those questions out step by step.
Wonderful, guys. I wish you all the very best. And if we can help in any way, please do feel free to connect.
For sure.
Yes,
Whenever
for
possible.
sure. I think the next time we film with you guys, either like Arjun or myself or Nikhil, one of us will be there, like just on set with you.
आ जाना भाई. हम पता नहीं कैसे
Would we love
अब भी आपने हमें कैसे एक साथ बुला लिया. मेरा भाई आया गुड़गांव से बैठने के लिए.
But that is one of the best interviews that we have. Sorry to cut you.
Really?
I mean, that is, yeah, I
Yeah,
mean, has just
you guys-
made the series more cohesive and like it's just brought everything, every story together.
Oh,
I
perfect.
mean,
यार सही है भाई.
we should totally watch it.
Let's just look up into the sky and say, "Hey, Siddhant, if you're listening." Thank you, sir. Guys, I wish you all the very best, man. And to everyone watching, please do. I don't think you need me to tell you to go and watch this, यार. कहीं ना कहीं पहुंच जाओगे भाई. और अगर इन्होंने वो लंबा रास्ता चुना है, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो आपके फीड के सामने आ जाए. कुत्ते बिल्ली जो कूद रहे हैं, उसके साथ में अगले फीड में शायद यही आ जाएंगे आपके.
For sure.
तो कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. I wish you all the very best. And I think the best thing was that it's not a one season thing.
Yeah.
Because इंडियन फुटबॉल की कहानी ये है कि वो इट्स स्लो ग्राइंड.
Yeah.
और स्लो ग्राइंड के लिए आपके अंदर कार्डियो मसल सब कुछ होना चाहिए कि लंबे रेस के घोड़े बनो. And find your way out and just make sure that you make something, whether it's a shot on a phone, whether it's shot on 10 cameras, doesn't make a difference at the end of the day, actually. So I wish you the very best, guys. Traveler's Guide to Indian Football. It's on Sportfolio Productions. YouTube पे आप उसको देख सकते हैं. Instagram पे जाइए, उनको सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए वहाँ पे. And ये वाली जो दुनिया है, looks weird. ये वाली जो दुनिया है, उसमें इनकी रील देख लिया करो. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. All the best, Johnson. Thanks, Nikhil. Thanks for joining us, guys.
Thanks, Arjun.
So much for your time, Arjun.
Thank you.